Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemon juice. First, let's gather our essential tools and ingredients. You'll need about 3 to 4 fresh, ripe lemons, a sturdy cutting board, and a sharp knife. Don't forget your juicer, whether it's a manual reamer or an electric one, along with a small bowl to catch the juice and a fine mesh strainer. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have your supplies, let's prepare the lemons. Start by washing each lemon thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any surface dirt or residues. Next, a little trick to maximize juice extraction. Firmly roll each lemon on your countertop for about 10 to 15 seconds. This helps break down the internal membranes. Finally, carefully cut each lemon in half lengthwise, getting them ready for the juicer. With your lemons prepped, it's time to extract that delicious juice. Take one lemon half and place it onto your juicer. If you're using a manual reamer, press down firmly and twist the lemon back and forth, applying steady pressure. For an electric juicer, simply follow its instructions. Continue this process for all your lemon halves, ensuring you get every last drop of that bright, tangy liquid. Almost done. To ensure your lemon juice is smooth and pulp-free, pour it through a fine mesh strainer into a clean container. This removes any seeds or excess pulp, leaving you with pure, clear juice. You can store your fresh lemon juice in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it in ice cube trays for longer storage. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade lemon juice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.